Respect the past, connect the future. I'm Lai Siew Hong, the founder and chief executive designer of Blue Water. At Blue Water, we're very passionate in crafting purposeful design and innovative solutions through inspirational storytelling. We believe behind every design there is a story. Behind every story, there is an inspiration. And behind every inspiration, there is a vision. With that, we ensure that every vision will lie in the core of the space that we craft with finesse. The vision for the newly revamped and rebranded EQ is a 5-star property that offers residential style luxury with a distinct character of local identity. The hotel has a total of 440 guest rooms and suites, all luxuriously designed with a strong sense of local identity, encompassing the idea of harmonious Malaysia that comprises 3 main cultures and heritage. Adopting the concept of timeless chic heritage, we use polished rose gold patterns inspired by metallic threads of rich textile as well as woven motifs patented from traditional baskets. These elements, essentially inspired by elements of flora and fauna, are reflected in feature walls, screens, hand-tufted rugs in the most elegant ensemble. We explored and reimagined a new way to translate heritage into a space. Cultural motifs are refashioned to embody a vivid sense of discovery within the layers of walls in the hotel. The most attractive design features are the grand spiral staircase and the tower lantern. Spanning a magnitude of 5 stories, the spiral staircase mimics a twirling thread on the songket loom. Stylish songket-inspired prints are also layered with glass surfaces to create a unique silhouette for the tower lantern. The interplay of opacity and luminosity adds charm and romance to the lobby area, injecting the space with a symphony of harmony and the spirit of place. This artistic silhouette reflects the beauty of diverse Malaysia and are delicately used in a controlled and monolithic way, lending a sense of calmness and continuity to the space. The narrative for the Rooftop Sky Dining is "Fly free like a bird." The concept of these F&B spaces draw an immersive experience of dining near the clouds. Upon arrival at the 250-meter-high Sky 51, guests are greeted by the sense of being in an infinite space. Infinity mirrors and reflective surfaces create the illusion of a boundless space spanning a limitless horizon like a bird about to take flight. At the end of the lobby, a glowing maitre d' invites guests towards it, back against a glass where a lively bar beacons. The outdoor bar counter is crowned with a curved glass staircase and a deck, both finished in a reflective surface, inspired by a champagne glass that mirror the city space around, rendering their forms invisible. In the secluded corner, the garden laden with pot seats fashioned like nests symbolizes the pride of place. SABAYON, the Sky Dining, is enclosed within a triple-volume glass box. Elegant curvatures complemented by soft material accentuate the idea of a bird tending to its young. A feather-like sculptural installation flutters through the voluminous space, imitating the birds flying through the clouds. ETOILE Bistro. The concept is drawn from the narrative of a traditional market hall where choices are plenty for patrons. Taking inspiration from the act of walking down the street, we want to attract to inspire and to engage the guests. The main activities are showcased vividly through strategic plotting of the respective counter, such as coffee stations, sandwich and salad bar, as well as a grab-and-go counter. Sabah-born street artist Kenji Chai upcycled plates into a colourful work of art, reimagined the rebirth of EQ as a phoenix rising from the ashes. The Hotel Guest Room Suites is an open floor plan concept that anchored the space, layering the room with a sense of lofty spaciousness connecting the bathroom and living area seamlessly. Bold geometric patterns inspired by traditional Malay songket are translated into the carpet, while feature walls derive from the art of henna. Intricate motifs and metallic highlights embellish the interiors, both soft and hard finishing. The overall room is donned in splashes of dark tones, accentuated with sudden pops of ochre yellow and majestic gold. With an identity rooted in the culture, EQ aims to touch the hearts of visiting guests, with the space rich in contemporary elements informed by heritage.